This isn't my normal video, but I'll be showing you 10 tricks and ways to make your avatar look ready for Christmas. So this is my avatar right now. I don't think it looks that good, so I'm gonna take off the RP battle sword right now. I'm gonna go to my hats and I'm gonna see which hat looks better. The outfit for her first. That's what my first thing is. So I'm gonna got it, redraw. Yeah, I think it looks better with this on as well. Yeah, this looks a lot more better. I think this looks nice. So combine these two hats on it. Now we're gonna go to avatar shop and debate which one should I get. Red coat for 70 Robux, a holiday cloak. I think I'm gonna get this one. I am my smile box, that's really sad. So that looks nice, and I'm gonna go back, and we're gonna click on this. We're gonna get this skirt before and we're gonna put it on. I think my character's looking real nice so far. Let's see if there's any weird glitches, but I don't think there will be. Oh yeah, there is one weird glitch, but I think whatever. I think it looks fine actually. So now we're gonna turn that back to normal, and we're gonna look at the Christmas clothing. I think this is gonna be really cute. Debate, guys. Which one should I get? This one or this one? I think I might go with this one. And I'll also be showing you how to make one of your avatars look like Santa's reindeers. Right now I'm just making my avatar look like Santa. And we're going to take off that shirt. I have a lot of clothes, but it's not that many. Question you're probably wondering, why do I have so many red clothes? It's because me and my friend, we were doing Spider-Man, but no, we didn't decide to do Spider-Man. I have Spider-Man, this, I have a bunch of red roleplay clothes because I dressed up. I tried to make my avatar look like Carmen Sandiego once, but it didn't work out too well. But yeah, so this is how you make your avatar look like Santa Claus. Now, I'll be back in a few seconds to show you how to make your avatar look like a reindeer. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to replenish my outbox, so we are going to go to the antlers. That's the first thing. You can do either of these. I'm going to do the lighter antlers. You can do the darker antlers or if you want. This one looks weird, so don't do that one. But I'm going to buy this one for 75 Robux. If you're a noob, I will show you how to make your avatar look cool for Christmas. And if you are a noob, that will be coming out tomorrow. Actually, no, not tomorrow. I don't know when. But let me just take off everything. And we're just gonna leave Santa dress on. Oops, sorry guys. And we're gonna go to face and we're gonna take out this candy cane. And then we're gonna go back to the avatar shop. And we're gonna see if there's anything for a deer, like a deer tail or something. So we are gonna go to accessories, command decorations, and we're gonna see if there's a deer tail or something. We're gonna look up deer. Just like that, and there's a bunch of deer things that show up. So we're gonna look for a deer tail, I think. Well, there's a deer tail. Actually, yeah, there is. Let's try this on. Let's do 3D. 2D, I mean. Not 3D, sorry guys. So, yeah, I think this looks good. Oh yeah, you can do any hair that you have with this. Oh my god, sorry guys. I am so sorry. This taking forever to load. But we're gonna put on this deer tail. And we're gonna see how oof is. Yeah, I think that looks nice. Now we're gonna find a skirt. Or like a brown skirt. So we're gonna go under the skirt's soft Santa skirt again. And we're gonna see if we can find anything that looks similar to this. We're gonna look up skirt under catalog. And we're gonna see what comes up. Oof. These don't really match my theme. But maybe I can get this to work somehow. But wait, would these go into waist or back? Wait, let me see actually. I'm confused. Oof, yeah, that's cataloged on the waist. Actually, yeah, we can get this to work. I don't know. If someone would only make a skirt under back. Like, or second waist or something. Or like whatever the heck, where you could like do two things on waist. Which I'll figure out the heck. Oh yeah, this is also I'll be showing you how to vote for the. Actually, you can't vote now. Not because the spells has already started, but if you click on this sleep bars or something, it will show this. I don't know how to get there on Pocket Edition. This little thing will show up on. You click the three things on the computer. So guys, I'm just super clumsy. And I think we're gonna look up. I'm gonna buy some new hair. Because I don't think that hair looks good with it. Actually, no, I don't think we need some new hair. Well, maybe I don't know. But now I'm gonna go into clothing and look for anything brown, I should say. Like this. This will be perfect. And guys, I think I'm gonna do this with just some black bottom, some Little Blossom shorts. Yeah, and then you guys can do any hairs. I think I'm gonna stick with the hair that I have right now. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna stick to this hair because this is my favorite hair. I use this hair a lot. Actually, this is my favorite hair. Yeah, it's totally brown because I have 30 of these outfits. Actually. But yeah, these are my outfits that I have. And yeah. And that's how you make your avatar look Christmassy. Thanks for watching, guys. And bye. Please like and subscribe. And thank you.